Yeah. I wonder they've... Yeah, we've had a bit of rain in the past couple of days in the afternoon, on and off, you know. Nothing to write home about, but... Dennis, Marino and Roberto. That was a big ride, 157. There's the big road up ahead. Got to look for a bridge, a suspension bridge. Just checked with a couple of guys building a house back there. Costa, nice little place. Complete with church. Oops, some guy just flew past me. Gee, that extra breakfast I had makes me feel a bit uncomfortable. Could possibly be my last ride through here in a couple of years, who knows. It's a particularly spectacular little area. I wonder there's a couple of dugouts up there where they would have used it for World War I. They might, if I can get that, see that one up there? I don't know, maybe not. Oops. Glorious morning. I got my wind breaker, plastic jacket, whatever, ready for the descent. Somebody going the other way. Cool. Didn't see any suspension bridge. We're in Cima Grappa, and we're going to take a road that's closed because of rockfall or something, I don't know. I'm supposed to go up here, am I? Bloody hell. This is a road? Are they serious? I'm not so sure. Anyway, we'll see what happens. The right road. Oops. Yeah, this is the road we did with Rishi and Rudy, except with Rudy we did downhill. Rishi it was uphill. Not too hard. Get a bit of film at this. We're starting to go up, and straight on is ouch, Arze, not too far away. It's got that nice lake, and try and get this helmet more comfortable with this bloody camera on it. Here we go, and on we go. Well, don't know if I'm on the right track, I'm hoping, but there's a bit of a dam here on my right, in between the trees. You might be able to see it. Oh, here it is. It's quite pleasant, beautiful. It's the Diga de Corlo, the dam, Corlo Dam. There's another bridge there. It's 9:25. It's pretty much very quiet around here. Frazione di Arzi. Right place. Had to switch on and get a picky of that. Look how calm it is. Magic, absolutely magic. I've never seen this before. It's like a church out on an island. Oh, magnificent. Rocca. Oh, beautiful. And then we're heading out towards Feltre, and then what happens is we go away from Feltre and swing towards Razay and Caupo. That's where we stopped for the Giro the first time. See what's up ahead, and then we can keep going. Oh, nice. Industrial complex down there. Could be, yeah, we've been on this road with Giorgio before. Yeah. Now, let's see if we can get this right. Well, obviously I'm not going to go left. Okay, Primolano's that way. Feltre 14 this way. Yeah. Oh well, end up on the bloody main road again. Hopefully for not too long. See what happens up ahead. Here we go.